Hey guys, it's Mike from GWA Auto Parts, and today we're here with the AA Ignition Replacement Motor and Transmission Mount Set. This motor and transmission mount set works specifically for the 2007 to 2012 Nissan Altima when equipped with both the 2.5-liter engine and automatic transmission. What your motor and transmission mounts do is they absorb the noise and vibration from the engine and transmission while securing those vital parts in place. And over time, due to all the wearing, these parts do go bad, creating clunks or weird noises or the feeling that your engine is going to jump out of your car when you hit the brake or the gas. While this motor and transmission mount set is not a genuine OEM part, it does have the same OEM fit, quality, and finish throughout, as this was designed to be a direct replacement thanks to the OEM design and, of course, the OEM mounting locations. But unlike ordering one mount at a time, this kit comes with all four needed for your Nissan Altima, including the transmission mount, front and rear motor mounts, and the torque strut mount. Installation of a motor or transmission mount set can be complicated, as you might need to raise and lower your vehicle while securing the engine and transmission in place. This is why we recommend having a professional handle the installation of these mounts. If you have any questions about this replacement motor and transmission mount set, please reach out to us anytime. We're glad to help.